Right, now the other thing we're going to talk about is global equities. Now, one of the big themes of 2025 has been rotation out of US equity markets and into the rest of the world's equity markets. So if we scour the rest of the world's global equity markets and screen for those that are dislocated against our model value, are there any that stand out as cheap to model? The answer is yes. The Nikkei 225, the Japanese index, is currently screening as 4% below model value. And you can see on the screen now, the black line is the actual Nikkei 225 index, and the orange line is the macro factor model value. So the bottom line is that the Nikkei looks attractive if you're looking at equity markets outside the US. Bear in mind, however, that the Nikkei is quite sensitive to the yen. The Nikkei really likes a weaker yen, and that is, of course, because a lot of Japanese companies are quite export oriented. Good luck out there.